welcome to another Zoo Ost video. I'm Tony Nevin, the host, and we're going to take you through a new series of videos looking at human health and things we can do to improve our lives and lifestyles. So far, if you've been watching our channel, which I really hope you have been, we've been covering aspects dealing with animal health and animal problems. But we're now ready, and it's high time we did, start looking at the human side of the work we do. And today, we're going to kick off with sleep. Now, sleep is so important that we want to cover it in a topic on its own. But some of the top tips we can give you, and what better place to start than here in Cornwall, in Poldark country. I'm stood by Wheel Coats, one of the really old tin mines. And this takes me back to my childhood, where we used to holiday here. And actually, I always got a good night's sleep because the sea air and everything about it is really good. The reason sea air is good for you is because of the negative ions, and that's what's given off from the salt water, and we gently inhale that, and that has massive beneficial effects on our lungs and on our brains. Now, one of the other things is if you're dehydrated, you won't sleep well, and if you are stressed, you will find it difficult to switch off and then go to sleep. And also, if you have lots of screen time late at night, that blue light, the effect from the screens really damages your chances to sleep. So here we have some of the top tips for you. Eating late at night, that is another really big no-no. Blood goes to the stomach, and the problems with that is that then you've got to digest your food. So your brain is, again, not really going to want to switch off. It's also not good for you health-wise to lay down with a full stomach, because that puts pressure on the sphincter at the top of the stomach and can lead to conditions such as hiatus hernia, which is where the food pushes back up into the esophagus, and then you get what we call heartburn, which is nothing to do with the heart. It just happens to give you a burning sensation in the chest. But all of these things are really, really sort of important no-nos late at night. Same thing, never go to sleep on an argument. Okay, so try and clear your head of anything that is troubling you. Wind down gently to get to sleep. Caffeine is a stimulant. It is found in tea, coffee, chocolate, and a lot of processed foods, cakes and things like that, and sweets. Caffeine late at night, again, makes it harder for the body to calm down, and that's because it's what's called an adrenal stimulant. It stimulates the adrenal glands, which sit on top of your kidneys, and they basically are the fight-flight drivers in our bodies. So if you have a lot of caffeine late at night, you're going to be wide awake. So again, something like that, you want to ease back on the caffeine really after 4 o'clock in the afternoon is the general advice. But certainly not after sort of 8 o'clock at night. You want to avoid if you're thinking of going to bed at sort of 9:30, 10 or 10:30. So all of those things are really, really important tips to helping you get a good night's sleep. But couple that with the video we've put up, and you'll see the link up here, with a thunderstorm in northern Thailand. So pleasant dreams, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe and stay healthy.